I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to add your bank account to Klarna for seamless payments, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once you're in the app, go to the Settings section, usually found in the bottom menu. From there, select Payment Methods to manage your bank account options. Step 3. Add a new bank account. In the Payment Methods section, look for the option to Add Bank Account. Tap on it to start entering your bank details. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Fill in the required information, including your account number and routing number. Double check for any typos, as incorrect details can lead to errors. A common mistake is entering the wrong routing number, which can delay the process. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your details, review everything and hit save to finalize the addition of your bank account. You should receive a confirmation message once it's successfully linked. Now you're all set to make payments through Klarna using your bank account. If you run into any issues, just double check your entries and you'll be good to go. Happy shopping!